See this soap. This is one product that I swear by when it comes to fading dark spots on my face. Like, this soap really works, and it works fast. I mean, as fast as in 2 weeks it will help to fade your dark spots. But if you've used this soap and instead of it fading your dark spots or clearing out your hyperpigmentation, you end up with a dry and irritated skin, you need to watch this video till the end, because in this video I'll be showing you the right way to use this soap for your dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Let's say you have dark patches anywhere. I'll be showing you how to use this soap safely without burning, irritating, or drying out your skin. So if this sounds like something that interests you, please keep on watching this video till the end. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Drop your thoughts in the comment section, and without further ado, let us jump right into this video. Now, this is a lightening soap. It is not a brightening soap, it is a lightening soap. Its main ingredient is kojic acid, and kojic acid is one very strong tyrosinase inhibitor that will help to inhibit the production of melanin on your skin. Now, this soap is great for hyperpigmentation, it's great for dark spots, melasma, any form of discoloration. This soap is very effective, and it is also very strong. This is why most people that use this soap end up with irritation, dryness, or sensitivity, because they don't use this soap very well. In as much as this soap is really good and very effective, it is not suitable for everyone. Now, here are the people that should not use this soap. 1, people with an already broken skin barrier. So if your skin barrier has been compromised or damaged, you need to avoid using this soap. This soap is quite strong. For someone that has a compromised or a damaged skin barrier, you don't need any strong active in your skincare routine. This one will only end up damaging your skin barrier the more rather than fixing the problem. So you can use this once you've fixed your skin barrier. Next set of people that shouldn't use this soap are people with super sensitive skin and eczema prone skin. This soap is, like I said, is very strong. It can lead to irritation, peeling. It can also give you a slight burning or tingling sensation. So if you know that your skin reacts badly to chemical exfoliants like glycolic acid or any other harsh actives like tretinoin, vitamin C, especially high percentage of vitamin C, there is a high chance that this soap might not be suitable for your skin. Another set of people are those dealing with active acne. If you have active acne, cystic acne, painful acne, like all those inflamed acne, you shouldn't use this soap. Try to fix your acne first of all, then you can use this soap to clear your dark spots. This soap is not going to fix your acne for you. It is not going to clear out your acne. Or you have open sores, wound on your skin, don't use this soap, because this soap is going to irritate your skin. Another set of people are those that are not willing to religiously wear their sunscreen or prevent sun exposure. So if you know you're in that category, don't use Kojic lightening soap. This soap is very strong and can make your skin susceptible to the sun. Now, the next set of people that should not use this soap are people with extremely dry skin. This soap can be very drying. So if you're dealing with dry skin, flaky skin, your skin is peeling, avoid using this soap. If you've made up your mind to say, okay, I want to use this soap, ensure that you are incorporating hydrating products in your skincare routine to help to replenish the lost moisture. You are going to prepare yourself to double your hydration or even triple it. Now that we've filtered people that shouldn't use this soap, how can you use this Kojic lightening soap to fade your dark spots? So when using this soap for your dark spots, you are going to be using this soap as a mask. Now, this is how you're going to do it. You're going to get a gentle hydrating cleanser that you're going to use to cleanse your skin, remove the dirt and germs from your skin. And then once you're done cleansing, you go in with this soap. You will not be applying this soap directly on your face. You are going to lather the soap on your hand, apply the foam or the lather on your face, and let it sit for 1 minute or 30 seconds depending on how long your skin can tolerate it. And after that, you rinse off. Now, one thing with this soap is always going to make your face feel tight. So if your face starts to feel tight afterwards, it is completely normal. But if you start to experience some burning sensation or some tingling sensation, that means you've left this soap on your face for too long, so you need to reduce the duration. Some people's skin are so tough that they can use this soap, they can leave this soap on their face for as long as 2 minutes, 3 minutes, even 5 minutes, and they will not experience any stinging or burning sensation. Some people, 30 seconds, they started feeling stinging or burning sensation. So my advice is that don't leave it on your face for too long that you start feeling that burning or stinging sensation. Once you understand your skin, you will know how long you're going to leave this product on your face. So after you rinse off, you're going to follow up with calming, soothing, hydrating products. If you have a hydrating toner, if you have a niacinamide serum, if you have a hyaluronic acid serum, ceramide serum, now is the time you're going to apply this product on your face. After applying your hydrating and calming serums or toners, the next thing you need to go in with is your moisturizer. Use a moisturizer that suits your skin type. Then the last step, this one depends on when the time of the day you're using this product. So if you're using this product during the day, which I don't advise, you ensure that you're using a sunscreen, and you ensure that you're using a broad spectrum sunscreen. Also ensure that you are reapplying your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours so that you don't get sunburn, so that the hyperpigmentation or the dark spot that you're trying to fade doesn't worsen or get darker. But if you're going to be using this soap at night, which I highly recommend, you don't need to use your sunscreen. Just apply your moisturizer and then you go to bed, but ensure that you're using your sunscreen the following morning. How often should you use this soap? So if you are a beginner, if you want to start off using this soap for your dark spots or your hyperpigmentation, you need to use this soap 3 times weekly, only at night. I think I got to a point where I was using this soap safely every night and it did not compromise my skin barrier. It did not have any side effect on my skin. But because my skin accepted it that way, doesn't mean it will work for everyone like that. So observe your skin, monitor your skin. Start off by using it 3 times weekly as a beginner, just so that your skin can build tolerance to it. Trust me, the fake of this soap is plenty. Like, you are going to see more fakes than the original. Right now, the best way to differentiate the fake from the original Kojie soap is not even from the packaging, because these people, the manufacturers of these fake products, are working harder than Nigerian government. Before, one way to identify the fake is through the expiry date. The fonts they use exactly the same, the packaging exactly the same. Like, you will not be able to tell the difference. The only way you can tell the difference is from the actual contents, the soap itself, because this is something that they cannot forge. It's something that they cannot manufacture. Now, this is the real color of the original soap. It comes in a light orange color. If you get the Kojie soap and yours is looking too light or too deep, you've gotten the fake. Also, there are some soap that you use. In fact, most soap that you use, once you've used them for a long time, they start to crack. This particular one doesn't crack. So if you use Kojie lightening soap and it starts to crack, especially when you've used the soap for a long time, you've gotten the fake one. If you use a Kojie lightening soap and it takes forever to melt, you've gotten the fake one, because the original one melts easily. That is why it is always advisable to get this product from a trusted vendor. There are some brands that I can swear by, they can never sell fake Kojie lightening soap. And these are brands that I purchase my skincare products from. They are not paying me to always talk about them, but I feel like I owe it to my subscribers to show you guys where you can get your skincare products, original skincare products, and at affordable prices. Okay, I got this one for 6,900 naira thereabouts, but it wasn't up to 7,000 naira. Whereas if you go to some places, they sell this soap for as high as 12,000 naira. I'm going to leave handles of Instagram vendors that are trusted, tested and trusted. So if you want to fade your dark spots as fast as in 2 weeks, make use of this soap and follow all the instructions that I just gave you, and trust me, you're going to start seeing results very fast. Let me know in the comment section, have you tried this soap out before? How was your experience? Share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, share, and until I see you on my next one, guys, have a wonderful week. Bye.